Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So what are we making today, Arika?
Video masks!
I'm making cat boy.
I'm making owlet!
So let's have fun.
Yay!
Okay, Arika. So we have everything for the mask.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's check.
Let's check. Glue stick, pencil,
Okay.
a scissor,
Yes.
Sharpie,
Yep.
a rubber band,
And the paper.
and a paper. So you can take any color paper. You can also take white if you want, and you can color it. I think that would be more fun.
Yep.
So let's start with drawing, and that would be a tricky part.
Okay.
I'll make cat boy and you draw owlet. Okay, let's see how you draw it. The first thing I do is I make the eyes, and I measure it 2 fingers apart, but
you can measure it.
for you I think it will be 3 fingers apart. So put your 3 fingers right in the middle, like this, like that.
Like this?
Yes, like this.
Yep.
And make the eyes. Put a dot over here, put a dot over here. The owlet's eyes will start from here and here. Okay, I'll do the same for cat boy. Okay, now it's time to cut the outline of the mask. So now what we need to do, take a pencil and poke inside their eyes. Okay, now put your scissors inside this hole and be very careful. Maybe you need to take someone's help in this one. Okay.
Yep.
We need a black pen to outline everything. Okay. And I will color some of cat boy's features.
Yep. I like that one features. They're cool. I like that super cat stripes.
Yeah. This is done, and now there's one more thing which we need to do. So you keep this aside, take the same paper which we were using, and fold it
Okay, like this.
like,
Can you mark how
not,
much?
just like maybe this much.
Okay.
I think that would be fine.
That would be fun.
And cut that. Now keep that aside and take this stripe and fold it in half.
Okay.
Fold it in half and then again cut it.
Okay.
Okay, now you have 2 of them. Okay, now take the puncher, hole puncher, and make a hole
At the end.
at the end of these. Now you take your
My glue.
pen
Okay.
again
Oh
on
my
the other one.
Something bad.
Now take your band and you have to cut your band into 2.
Okay.
Yeah, cut it. Yes, nice. So now take the band,
Okay.
and what you need to do is we want to stick it here so that Arika can wear it like this. So we'll take a little paper strip and put some glue gun or glue or whatever you have, anything.
Can we use glue?
Yeah, you can use glue. our mask is done and it looks beautiful
Maybe we can
and
wear
colorful, and we can wear it outside and do some fun.
Catboy, Romeo is stealing all the school art supplies. Let's go. Did you enjoy this video? Then like and subscribe.